I'm tracking scores, games, and averages in a Google Sheet, but I want other people to be able to enter information without giving them access to the sheet itself. To do that, I'll create a Google form directly from the sheet. First, I go to Tools and select Create a New Form. As soon as I do this, a new form opens and the spreadsheet automatically adds a new tab called Form Responses 1. In the form editor, I can start naming the fields I want people to fill out. For example, I'll add a name field and a score field. The score field doesn't have to be just a short answer. I can click the 3 dots, choose Response Validation, and set it so the response must be a number greater than 0. This helps prevent invalid entries, like a score of 0 if that's not allowed. Once the form is set up, I can go back to the spreadsheet and see that the column headers, name and score, have already been added to the Form Responses 1 sheet. I can also rename this tab by double-clicking on it and changing the name to something like Scores. To test the form, I click the preview icon in the upper right corner. I'll enter a name, type in a score, and submit the form. As soon as I submit, the response appears automatically in the spreadsheet. By default, Google Sheets now formats form responses as a table. If I don't want that, I can click the drop-down arrow next to the response sheet name and choose Revert to Unformatted Data, which switches back to the older layout. If I don't want users to see the option to submit another response, I can go into Settings, open the Responses section, and turn on Limit to 1 response. One important thing to note, if you're creating a form inside a Google Workspace account, the form is automatically restricted to people in your organization. If you want anyone outside your workspace to be able to respond, make sure to uncheck that restriction. Now, when I enter a response, like Andy with a score of 10, and submit it, you'll notice there's no option to submit another response. All the answers are automatically recorded right here in the spreadsheet. Now when someone submits a response, it goes straight into the spreadsheet, and they won't see an option to submit another entry. That's how you create a Google form directly from Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.